Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Antifi, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Poco M5s. You have two different options to do so, and the first one is to just go to your drop down menu, swipe to the right and click on dark mode. Then your phone is in the dark mode. You can just go back, click on it again, and then the light mode will appear again. The other option is to go to your settings and then go to display, and here you can turn on and off the dark mode or the light mode, and you also have the option to schedule the dark mode. So you can say schedule dark mode on sunset to sunrise, switch to dark mode at sunset and turn it off at sunrise, or you can say custom, so turn dark mode on and off at scheduled times. So now you can put in a time you want the dark mode to appear and a time you want the light mode to appear again. So let's say at 8 at night the dark mode will turn on, and then at 6 in the morning the light mode will appear again. So that's how you custom that, and then you can go back and then it will do that automatically. You also have more dark mode options, and you can adjust the wallpaper to dark mode or adjust texts and backgrounds automatically. Individual apps, so you can enable and disable the dark mode for some apps as well. You can custom that as you like and then just go back. So that's how you turn on and off the dark mode on your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.